Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use Builder Gel for Gel-X. First, prepare your natural nails by gently pushing back your cuticles and lightly buffing the surface. This creates a smooth canvas for application. Next, dehydrate each nail thoroughly using a 99% alcohol wipe or a dedicated nail dehydrator. Finally, apply a very thin, even layer of gel primer to ensure optimal adhesion for your Gel-X tips. This crucial prep work takes only a few minutes. Now, let's get those Gel-X tips ready. Choose tips that fit your natural nails precisely, extending from one side wall to the other. This ensures a seamless and secure fit. Place a small, bead-sized amount of Builder Gel on the underside of the Gel-X tip, specifically in the area that will make contact with your natural nail. You want just enough gel to create a strong bond without excessive overflow. This step is key for a lasting application. With the Builder Gel on the tip, it's time to attach it. Place the Gel-X tip onto your natural nail at a 45-degree angle, starting near the cuticle. Slowly press the tip down towards the free edge, gently pushing out any air bubbles. This ensures a smooth, bubble-free bond. Once positioned, cure each nail under an LED lamp for 60 seconds. This full cure provides a strong, durable foundation for your beautiful Gel-X set. To complete your stunning Gel-X nails, begin by gently filing and shaping the tips to your preferred length and style. Take your time to achieve a smooth, refined look. Next, cleanse the entire nail surface with a lint-free wipe soaked in 99% alcohol to remove any residue. Finally, apply a thin, even layer of gel top coat and cure it under your LED lamp for 60 seconds. This adds a beautiful, long-lasting shine and protects your manicure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.